You have a beautiful pot of succulents in your kitchen or your office or your bedroom, but suddenly you start to notice a little pest, gnats. Don't let these guys bother you. I'm gonna show you how to get rid of them. This is Succulents in Seconds, a quick video with a quick answer to your succulent questions. Gnats love a warm, wet climate. So if you're seeing gnats around your succulents, your soil is staying wet for too long. The best way to get rid of them is just to let your soil dry out completely. If you're using the soak and dry method that I recommend for watering succulents, along with a well-draining soil, gnats shouldn't be a problem for you. But in the case that you get gnats, just let your soil dry out and you'll be just fine. If these little guys are bugging you while you wait for your soil to dry out, you can set out a dish of apple cider vinegar with a couple drops of dish soap in it to trap the gnats. It's also a good idea to keep your succulents away from fruit or other items in your kitchen that might attract fruit flies. But mostly, you want to let your soil dry out completely and make sure you're using a well-draining soil for your succulents. So the simple solution for getting rid of gnats is use a well-draining soil, water your succulents thoroughly, let them dry out completely between waterings, and then water again. That dry soil is crucial to prevent gnats. Are you guilty of overwatering or keeping your soil wet? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with all of your succulent loving friends. And we'll see you next time.